If you're anything like I was just a few years ago, you might be searching YouTube and trying to figure out, how do I make money online? Or maybe more specifically, you're thinking, how do I take what I know, the knowledge, the skills, the expertise that I have, and start making content about it, and then maybe online courses, maybe a membership site. Like, you've heard about all these things, but you're wondering, how do I piece it all together in a way that feels authentic and legitimate to me, that doesn't feel sleazy or scammy, and can actually make me a good income? That's where I was for the longest time, and I tried all kinds of things. Basically, I would watch a piece of content on YouTube where somebody would say, you can do this, or you can do that, and I would just go try it. And you can look back through a lot of my channels on YouTube and the projects that I've done, and you can see a lot of that experimentation. But what I have found is that there is a very clear, predictable path to a steady online income and a legitimate online business that you can follow and you can be successful. And that's one of the reasons why I'm doing my 90 days of crushing it on Kajabi, crush it on Kajabi in 90 days. Because I really believe that having a systematic step-by-step approach available to you to know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it to win an online business is something that I wish I would have had, that I want to make sure is available to you. So this is video 12 of that series. And I want to get a little bit kind of broader in this video, and I want to look specifically at what you can do online in 3 months. What kind of business can you build? What kind of income can you make? And what kind of foundation can you lay for the future? 90 days is a long time in terms of what you can accomplish if you're really putting yourself to work and being focused and disciplined. And that's what I want to focus on in this video, what you can do. Kajabi just announced that they're extending their 3 months of Kajabi for $99 promotion another 5 days. That means that if you're watching this video within 5 days of when I put it out, you can still get Kajabi for $99 for the first 3 months. That's an amazing discount, and I want you to take advantage of it at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. There's a link right there that you can go and join the promotion. When you join using my link, you get a free 45-minute Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, we'll talk about Kajabi, how to get started on Kajabi, and how to have the most success right away on the platform. You'll also get my $25,000 course launch email template, which is the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. Both of those things are yours for using my link, which is an affiliate link, so I do appreciate it very much if you use it. Now, even if you're watching this months or weeks down the road and that promotion is long gone, Kajabi is still an amazing deal. Even at the full price, you'll get the free trial at the beginning and you'll be able to take advantage of those 2 perks. But let's talk about 3 months of what you can do in your online business. Now, to this point, in the 11 days prior, I've gotten into some nitty-gritty about how to set up your website, how to build a lead magnet, how to build a landing page for your lead magnet, how to set up your email list. Tomorrow, we'll jump back into how to make an automated sequence on your email list. All of that stuff is very, very practical, and that's what we'll continue to do in this series. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you have access to all of those videos and you have a step-by-step nitty-gritty plan. But what I want to talk about is exactly what the 3 months looks like overall. In the first month of the 90 days, what I would suggest is getting all of what you have on Kajabi set up. I'm talking a good website that has a very purposeful point. The point of your website is not for people to go on there and see a glorified business card of all the things that you do and all the things that you have done. That's for LinkedIn, okay? Your website serves one purpose, which is to get people to subscribe to your email list. From there, you want to put them through an automated sequence, which gives them an opportunity to buy your course. That brings up what we're gonna do in the second month that we're on Kajabi. We're gonna build our first mini course. You might be able to get on your course building faster, which I fully suggest doing that. If you can get your website built, get the lead magnet up, get the email list and automated sequence done within the first 10 days or so of being on Kajabi, that's a huge win. That gives you a little bit more time to make your course. Then you're gonna make your course, which we're gonna talk more about how to do that in this series. But the short of it is, take the content that you're building and see what people are responding to the most. What kind of comments are they leaving? What kind of questions are they asking? What would be the thing that you could go deeper on in your content and make an end-to-end system with your course? I like to think of a course in terms of escape and arrival. What are people escaping from and what are they arriving to? And what are the milestones that they have to hit along that journey? What your course is gonna do is it's gonna provide that framework for them. It's gonna help them escape from something and arrive at something else. Escape from something undesirable and arrive at something desirable. So for example, I have a course called Preaching Jumpstart in my Preaching Donkey brand. What they're escaping from is not knowing quite how to write a sermon and deliver it in a very systematic, predictable way that takes the stress and burden away from the process. And what I want them to arrive to is having the tools that they need to write and deliver an effective sermon so they can focus on what's more important, which is the content. So the milestones along the way are what I have in the course. And that course is a mini course. It's just 7 lessons all along the way of how to write and deliver a message. So whatever your niche is, you just want to think of what are people escaping from and what are they arriving to and how is this course going to equip them every step of the way. Now in the 3rd month, in the 90 days, we're going to take that course that we've made and we are going to launch it. And we're gonna launch it big. Launch is gonna take 1 week. We're gonna get as many people into that course as possible in that launch. And then after that, we're gonna take that course and we're gonna put it into our automated sequence. So that at this point, if you kind of do the math here, we've got content that's driving people to our email list. That email list is being put through an automated sequence, which is offering them the course, and that is making us money. And then we rinse and repeat. Maybe we do another course, maybe we do a membership site, maybe we start a whole new brand. But if you think about this, over time, as we have more people on our list coming into this kind of ecosystem that we've created, they're being offered the course, they're buying the course, and this amazing cycle just keeps going so that you, at the end of the day, when all of this infrastructure is built, you're left with one task, which is to create content, whether it's YouTube, podcasting, blogging, whatever the case is for you, you're creating fresh, original content every week, which is promoting your lead magnet so that people get onto your list, so that they buy your course, and so that you continue to be in business, you continue to serve people, and you continue to grow. That's what can happen in 90 days. You can build that kind of framework, and Kajabi is the best place to put those pieces together. You don't have to figure out a bunch of different pieces of software. You don't have to try to figure out how to make this work with this and this work with that. You have one piece of software to learn, and I'm gonna teach you how to use it top to bottom. So here's your next step. Go down and subscribe to Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Use my link, you'll get a free 45-minute Zoom call with me. You'll also get the $25,000 course launch email template. That's step 1. Step 2, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything. And then finally, leave a comment below and let me know what questions you have, and I'll address them in the coming videos in this series. So at this point, you can watch this playlist right here to learn more about Kajabi, or just wait for the next video in this series to pop up. I'll see you tomorrow.